Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Efe. I've been singing a song by one of my favorite songs of Whitney Houston. I hope you enjoy this. I believe the children of the future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them the strength of life to make it easier. Let the children laughter remind us as we used to be. Everybody searching for an hero, someone that they wanna look up to, and never thought anyone who could fulfill my needs. A lonely place to be. Remind us as we used to be. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, I decided I believe no matter what they take from me, they can't take away my tears. Because of the greatest kindness, that's how it used to be. Woo! Somebody clap for me, baby. Clap for me. Woo! I'll do the thing that reminded us how it used to be. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I'm the winner.
Yeah.